Hello, and welcome to our explainer on the most complex and fascinating thing you'll ever own, your brain. Today, we're guided by the fantastic insights of Neelam Talreja. She's the founder of Mindseed Tutorials in Malad West, Mumbai, and she's an expert at helping students really accelerate their learning. Okay, so let's just dive right in. Have you ever really stopped to think about who's actually in charge up there? We're talking about the single most important organ that controls, well, literally everything you do, think, and feel. It is the command center for your entire life. You can think of your brain as the ultimate CEO. It handles all the big picture strategy, like complex thoughts and emotions. But it's also managing all the day-to-day stuff you never even think about, like breathing, your heartbeat, or even the coordination it takes to dance to your favorite song.
And its processing power? It's absolutely staggering. To put it into perspective, not even the most advanced supercomputer in the world can match your brain's ability to take in the flood of information that's coming from your senses every single second. It's just incredible.
So, how is this incredible machine even organized? Well, let's start with the main hub of the whole operation, the largest part of your brain, the cerebrum. Now get this. This one part, the cerebrum, makes up a massive 85% of your brain's total weight. And that's not just filler, believe me. All of that mass is dedicated to the higher-level functions that make you, you. This is basically the thinking part of your brain. It's responsible for all the complex things that define you. Learning new subjects, controlling your muscles so you can play games, or even busting a move on the dance floor. But the cerebrum, as powerful as it is, doesn't work alone. No way. It relies on a dedicated support crew to handle other vital functions. So let's meet the team that keeps this whole system running so smoothly. First in the support crew is the cerebellum. Now, it might be a lot smaller than the cerebrum, but its role in your day-to-day movement is absolutely essential. This is your brain's balance coordinator. Without the cerebellum, you'd honestly be falling all over the place. It's what keeps you steady on your feet and makes sure all your movements are smooth and controlled. And next, we have the critical link that connects your brain to the rest of your body, the brainstem. This part is the ultimate autopilot. It handles all the vital functions you never, ever have to think about. The brainstem works on complete autopilot, 24/7. It's what keeps you breathing right now, your heart beating, and your food digesting, all without you giving it a single conscious thought. It's truly the silent, tireless engine of your body. Okay. Now let's look at the part of the brain that colors our entire world with feeling, the emotional core. It's a tiny little area, but it has an incredibly powerful influence on our lives. This is the amygdala, and it's only about the size and shape of an almond. But hey, don't let its size fool you. This tiny structure packs a huge punch when it comes to its functions. This tiny area acts as your emotional headquarters. It processes feelings from fear all the way to joy, it governs your core survival instincts, and it even helps tag important events to create lasting memories. So beyond its structure, your brain has some incredible hidden talents. Let's look at a few fascinating facts that reveal just how powerful that 3-pound organ in your head really is. So have you ever thought about your brain in terms of energy? It's constantly firing with electrical signals, but how much power are we really talking about here? Well, the answer is pretty surprising. Your brain, right now, is generating about 12 to 25 watts of electricity. That is a continuous power source, just humming away inside your head. And to put that into perspective for you, you have enough brain power right now to light up a small LED bulb. You are literally carrying around your own personal biological power plant. How cool is that? So what's a practical way to use all this knowledge? Well, our final point is a simple science-backed tip to help you become a more effective learner. You see, scientists have discovered a direct link between moving your body and boosting your brain. Right after you exercise, your body releases a chemical that basically primes your brain for learning, making it way more receptive to new information. So you should totally try this next time you're stuck on a difficult problem. Instead of just staring at the page, get up and get moving. Run, play, do something active. When you come back to it, you might just find that your re-energized brain finds the solution much, much more easily. So, knowing what you know now about how your amazing brain works and how to optimize it, my question for you is, how will you power up your brain today? Thanks so much for joining us on this quick tour of the human brain. We really hope you're inspired to learn more about this amazing organ.
And to continue your own learning journey with some personalized guidance and expert tutoring, you can always connect with Neelam Talreja at Mindseed Tutorials.